If you want to delete your Grubhub account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grubhub website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the account deletion option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy. Here, you should find the option to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the prompts, confirm that you want to delete your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Grubhub account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to check your email for any final confirmations.